Number 8-142J. It is a 2010 Cadillac Deville DTS. Got some front damage. No check engine lights on or anything. Had it running for a while. 118,021 for the miles. AC's ice cold. All the power accessories work. Navigation works. All that stuff. Transmission, because of the accident, has a cracked side pan right where the mount is, so it lost some of the fluid, so the transmission doesn't really like to shift that well, because I think it's losing fluid. It's right there, right where that mount goes on. It cracked the side cover, but that's a replaceable piece. We already got the cats out of it and stuff, so that's why it's so loud. It was whisper quiet before. But yeah, excellent drivetrain. It does have the HID lights. So we're good to go.